Here we have the SEO Writing Crash Course. The SEO Writing Crash Course is really a foundational course where you learn essential terms, types of SEO, how the algorithm works, what the project process looks like from start to finish. You'll quickly get up to speed on everything writers need to know so you have a rock solid foundation of SEO. This course aims to make sure you won't miss out on key concepts, which would then make it difficult for you to excel in the expert tactics later on. Our SEO Writing Crash Course is great if you want to write for clients and/or optimize your own website to start attracting more of the right clients. Some of our favorite student lessons within this course include the mega list of profitable SEO writing services, as well as the step-by-step about how to conduct a client process from start to finish when you're doing SEO writing projects. To learn more about this course, sign up for our free writers training course at theambitiouswritersociety.com.